Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of installation failed on Strava. You click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about Strava app and you will click here. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then in this page you will click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support